Hi friends, my name is Shivram and we are back with the profitable Facebook lead funnel season 2. In the first season in 2020, I had the opportunity to teach and learn from 160 plus entrepreneurs, digital marketers, business owners and students. So I had extra time when the lockdown started, and that's when I thought that why not share this knowledge of lead funnel and uh, connect with many people. Like so that is how it happens. Teaching is learning every day. So when you teach, when you try to solve somebody's problem, you actually learn in the process. So I started that, and during September October I got busy because I got a lot of clients for my agency Budget Web Digital, and that is when I had to pause this. I also had to teach my son because online classes were difficult. I had to give time for my son. Now I'm back with season 2 because I have more time. I have a 18-member team, and we help more than 36 clients get revenue, get sales, and get leads. Yeah. I also run a company called CosmoQuest, which is into web development. That started in 2002. So that's what primarily I do. Help people set up systems, build systems, scale systems, or fix problems. Yeah. So the profitable Facebook lead funnel season 2 is here. And what is extra here? What is new here? Well, what happened is when I started connecting with this 160 people, out of 160, 30, 40 were actively doing lead ads. And actually, they used to come back to me and ask me, like, no, this is the problem I'm facing. That is the problem I'm facing. And also recently, that, iOS changes are there. Pixel and conversion API is here. Now, aggregated web events are here. And Facebook is going through a lot of changes because of iOS changes and browsers not allowing uh, pixels and data capture. But thankfully, Facebook lead ad is untouched, and it doesn't actually, if you are doing a Facebook lead ad, you don't need to care because everything happens in Facebook, and no iOS or no browser can stop you from getting Facebook leads. That is the best part. Also, people love Facebook lead ads because they get the data instantly and they don't have to wait. They get the phone number, email ID, any questions if they want to ask. And your lead ad is a full package. It is a ad, it is a landing page, and also it is a funnel in itself. It has the AIDA also in that, right? Attention, interest, desire, and action, the AIDA formula, right? So now what happens is, what had changed from season 1 to season 2 is more inputs, more problems we solved, more insights we got, and more success stories. Somebody has made sold a 2.5 crores project through the profitable lead funnel formula. Somebody got 300 clients for his chartered accountancy firm. Somebody made 6 lakhs from a financial product in 1 week just after doing that. Somebody could fill up his 20-member batch while doing the profitable Facebook lead funnel. That is a 1 week live program. So what it demands and what it promises, it demands your 7 days of time, minimum 1 hour reach, at least 4,000 rupees worth investment in Facebook ad. That is what Facebook suggests you, that you should invest 4,000 rupees at least on a lead campaign, per campaign actually I'm telling about. And if you invest that, it gives you optimum result, right? So what we understand and what we do it in profitable lead funnel is to understand how to get good leads. But that is not all. Like, we teach you how to set up a beautiful, profitable, or engaging Facebook ad first. How to write copies, how to set your audience, how to write copies that converts, how to write copies that engages your audience, and how what to do before the lead ad, after the lead ad. So that is what it is, a funnel. It is not a lead ad. You don't just learn only lead ad, you learn about a profitable lead funnel. Now, why I call profitable? Normally, what happens is, let's say you get 100 leads, and out of that, let's say 10 converts once you follow. Correct? So, rest 90 is a waste. Is it a waste? No. Probably they did not have time, they did not have money in their pocket, or they did not have urgency. It is also possible that, out of 100, maybe 10 are junk leads, right? It may so happen. So, keeping that in mind, the rest 90 are never a junk. So if you remarket them, retarget them, keep engaging with them, probably they will also churn out and they will also give you results. They will come back to you. That is how you increase more profits. So there are three levels of profit here. First level of profit is targeting to the right audiences, so you don't waste your money on ads and you don't waste your money on showing your ad to wrong people. Second thing is writing a beautiful ad copy for your lead ad, creating a beautiful form and some advanced hacks. I'm not going to tell you in this video. Inside the workshop it is there. And after you get the lead, what to do? What to do? So there are three levels of profit. And initially actually I promised 30%, but people have been getting more than 50%, so I had to change my headline and say that get more than 50% of profit after implementing this. It's not only that, my friends, I teach you many hacks which is mentioned in this landing page. Please go through that. It will take 5 minutes if you go through that in detail, and it has all the benefits. It has a community which is, they are still there. You can ask the first batch students, they are still there, and they keep asking questions. The WhatsApp group is still on, the Facebook group is there. I keep answering their questions. And yeah, there are so many other benefits, that this is the community. You have paid once, you can revise it anytime you want, right? It is a live workshop. It is always a live workshop, never a recorded course or something. Yes, you get your recording, but I urge you to attend all the 7 days. That's why I ask and demand you invest 7 days and other fees basically. And also 4,000 rupees on Facebook ads to get the maximum out of your invested time, money, energy, and interest. So now let's have a look at what is there inside the profitable Facebook lead funnel season 2. What is new in that? What does it promise to give you? So the big promise is 50% more profit from Facebook lead ads. With the lead funnel, of course, in 2 weeks. So get quality leads, nurture them well, get more sales with the profitable Facebook lead funnel. Now, who is it for? It is for entrepreneurs, business owners, agency owners like me, self-employed professionals, and also coaches and trainers, and of course, digital marketers. If you're a digital marketer, you can also learn from my experience. And why people actually should need to do that? Because many people feel they face the problem. If you are doing a lead ad, you get objections like this, like rejection like this, that I need this product, but I don't have money, I don't have urgency. Or as a marketer, as a business owner, you get half of the leads are fake or junk leads, right? So how to avoid all this thing, that is covered inside the profit funnel here. And these are some glimpses of the workshops. Now these are the testimonials from so many people who have already attended. Now let's see this. So what will you learn inside the workshop? Introduction to Facebook ads, very basic thing, but very important. You will learn some new tricks inside that. So what you should do before you start doing a lead ad or start launching a lead ad. Then how to create a winning lead ad. How you can set up some automation with your Facebook lead ad. Then how to nurture it. Getting the lead is half of the stuff done. Now how to nurture it and convert it. Now once you learn how to convert it, you should also learn how to optimize the profit, so you get maximum out of your profit funnel through Facebook lead ad. Now what else we have for you? We have 6 essential bonuses for free. First one is live case studies. Second one is how to use Google for Facebook ads. That is something tricky. Then how to convert your junk leads into customer, how to recycle those things. Also, we will invite industry experts. We keep inviting industry experts who keep sharing their insight. They answer their queries. Then how to convert other leads, just dial Google leads, or you are getting your organic website leads, or some, if you purchase some database or purchase some leads, also how to convert them through Facebook, that also will teach. And the most important thing which is important for you is how to master the art of sales and copywriting. I'll share my experience on how I do sales and how you can also make more sales. And that's not all. You have some more bonuses here. So basically, when you register, me and my team will create a business blueprint for you for your lead ad. You also have the lifetime VIP membership, that is a WhatsApp group for which you registered, and also a Facebook group which is common for everyone. Then yeah, I have, during this process I got in touch with so many SaaS founders, so many companies who provide us tools, and we have some lifetime deals for you. And yes, please remember, these are not affiliate links. I don't keep 1 rupee. I give all the benefit to you, right? Then yes, I'll also tell you secret tools and hack which can save you money. I'm a techno marketer. I am a programmer. I started my journey as a programmer. I exploit tools. I can build tools, and I also share some tools which will be helpful for you. And yes, to keep the momentum on, we will have a weekly webinar every week for let's say 52 webinars a year. So it is never ending. You can attend the webinar anytime and you can update and ask. And yes, we are also creating a knowledge base exclusively for the members so that you can access all the resources, all the questions other members have asked, all the challenges they faced, and how to solve them. And if somebody has found a hack, somebody has a success story, that also will be featured there. So you learn from others success, and you also learn from others failure without committing that, right? That's cool, right? So you might be thinking, what is unique about this workshop? There are many workshops, many courses. So what is so unique about this? So let me share, and I'm sure you'd like it. So profitable Facebook lead funnel workshop is a lifelong learning. So that means you registered once, and let's say you could not understand during the live workshop, you are free to repeat it again in the upcoming batches. It is only once a month because I need to prepare and I need to get more value to the next batch. Otherwise it becomes repetitive, even boring for me, right? So every batch is unique, and with every batch we get new concepts, new hacks, new tricks and formulas. So that is what we share with the participants. What happens, every time I find a new hack, it's not only for the fresh batch, I also update it to the previous batches. I share it with the previous batches. So even if the sixth batch, if I got something new, I'll share it with my first batch so they don't say outdated. They can revise it any number of times till they learn and master this. Isn't that unique? So you pay it once and you can attend all the future workshops, right? Third important thing is it is not recorded. So the content is ever changing, like Facebook ads changes, algorithm changes. I learn new things, I share all those things with you. So every batch is unique and every batch has something new to offer. It is not recorded and it is live. Correct. The another benefit which is very unique is every weekend we'll have a workshop for all the participants. It will be a Facebook live in the Facebook group, and you can ask all your questions there. You can also watch and other people getting their doubts cleared, basically. Correct. Another important thing is the knowledge base. The knowledge base is something which keeps growing, and you can go to the knowledge base and search queries related to Facebook lead ads. So you can see what other people have asked. So if you have a problem, you just go to the knowledge base and ask, and search in the knowledge base, and probably you already get the answer without asking me or asking anyone else. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, now the core benefit of the profit funnel, what profit you get? First profit you get is you eliminate junk leads, you save money there. Second benefit you get is you get a lot of engagements and audiences for your any kind of ads you do after that. We prepare you for engagement ads, reach ad, video view ads, so that you get engagements and you use it for the lead funnel or for any other funnel. So that is the second benefit. Third benefit is how to filter and segment the leads at the lead form level. That is something unique. I'm going to teach you some more hacks in the lead form, right? So there only you filter all the junk leads and people who do not have intent, do not have urgency, do not have buying capacity, do not fill up the form itself. So that is the third benefit. The fourth benefit is remarketing. I teach you how to remarket those leads and how to keep them engaged so that you get more conversions after they fill up the form. The last and the fifth benefit is how to do and what to do with the other people who did not fill up a form or who did not convert, how to recycle them. So in this 5 stages you actually get at least 10% of profit or save 10% of 10% of cost, and money saved is money earned. So you either you get better leads who converts more, and you get more people into the funnel who are very qualified. So that is how you get minimum 50% more profit. That is a promise. What is my promise here? You will definitely do better Facebook ads first, better leads ads second, and get more profit from your Facebook lead ad. So there are many concepts which is not there on internet, that is like we discovered during doing this workshop and working with the participants. And these participants are practitioners basically, so they learn and they do parallelly, right? There are follow-up sessions, there is WhatsApp group to support. Group 1 batch we started in June last year 2020 is still active, and still there are 20 participants. Yes, that is another catch, that initially we started with 20 participants, then we scaled up to 40 participants. So it is only for 40 participants, so that I can give personal attention to each one of you. You can ask questions, you can engage with me. Probably out of 160, all 160 have my number. They ask questions in the group. Of course they don't call me and irritate me, but they ask questions in the group, they email me, and I have their number saved in my system, because that is what is a commitment, right? Otherwise, like selling like a, it's not a product that I sell and forget. It is a workshop, and my commitment is you do and learn and get profit, and share the knowledge with me. Don't share your profit, you don't need to share your profit with me, but you share your knowledge, that what you did, what implementation you did, what challenges you faced. And because this is a group dynamics, people actually learn from others mistake, people also learn from others success, and they help each other. There are many digital marketers inside the funnel. They have taken the course, they keep and give their knowledge, there are experts sharing their knowledge knowledge there, and also their experiences. So this is my invitation, guys. Like do check out if you missed many. Yeah, my apologies, many friends, many people who actually wanted to join the batch 6, which did not happen in November, like kept asking when is it happening. And yeah, it is happening in this month, on this month, and basically it will happen every month and for 1 week. And during this month, and I am going to share all this information which I have accumulated in last 6 months. I'm definitely a better marketer than the previous day. Basically, I learn every day. So that is the commitment. I teach you better, I give you better results, and yeah, and you do better in this difficult times. And I expect you to go through the landing page and check out for yourself, that whether this is going to be beneficial or not. And if you like, go and register. And my commitment is you get definitely worth the time and money. Time is more important, money you can recover easily if you give 7 hours of commitment to me for a week continuously. You don't miss that. Yeah. So I expect you to see you in the inside the Profit Funnel workshop, which is happening this month. And if you have any queries, do comment in this post, message me, or there is a WhatsApp bot there. You message us, and me and my team will be happy to uh, assist you. So thank you, and see you.